Welcome back to Worldwide Boat. I'm Sana Vora, the Charter Director. I'm here aboard 95-foot Princess. She's a 2011 that's just completed a major refit. She's been in the shipyard for the past year. Let's see how she looks. Come, take a look at this master. Wow. It's got 2 large windows. Can you imagine being out on the ocean, blue waters in the Bahamas? You would see that view right from your bed. This is what I love about the Princesses. They're contemporary, neutral, but just so stylish. A true VIP on a 95-footer where you could see the difference between the master, the VIP, and the 2 guest rooms. Spacious, nice lighting, lots of walk-around space, and a beautiful head ensuite. Clients often ask, is 95 feet big enough for my family of 6 or maybe even 8? Well, you've seen the master and the VIP. Have a look at the 2 guest staterooms, one that offers twin beds and the other that offers a very spacious queen. In my opinion, yes, it's got more than enough space for all of you to be comfortable.
Hi guys, I'm Morgan and I'm the Experience Curator here with Worldwide Boat. I am here to assist you guys with all things pre and post charter from the second you hop on your private jet and enter into your luxurious destination until the time that you return home.
To you, Chef Annie. Sana with Worldwide Boat.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Hello.
Tell me, where have you come from into the yachting industry? How did you enter?
Well, I'm from Spain,
Okay.
from Barcelona, so cooking was always a very important part of my life. Everywhere you go in Barcelona, everyone eats, everyone is cultured, and everyone knows how to cook.
Of course.
Therefore, the restaurants have to do it even better than at home. So I was exposed to all that teaching, knowledge, culture, and 9 years ago, I decided to bring all that here to the States. So Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and 3 years ago, I joined the yachting industry. And I really like it because I'm able to showcase my creations. Normally I have freedom, so I'm always like, okay, what's next? And then what else can I do? And you never stop learning, and therefore it keeps me, motivated and passionate.
How do you feel about those vegan guests?
I feel like they bring money also to the table, so they have to also eat, and it's my job to fulfill their needs.
Okay, and do you have any ego to just make a good old mac and cheese from a craft dinner box, or?
The ego I left behind in Spain.
Good job.
In Europe, there's a lot of, I am the chef, and that's the only thing that matters. But bringing those customs here to the States, you don't get really too far out. Therefore, you have to here motivate the individual and no egos, and see how you can get the best from each other.
Perfect.
with kind words and leading by example.
Awesome, awesome. What's your specialty dish that everyone must try?
Well, Asian cuisine is
Okay.
my must try. It goes by waves, so
Okay.
right now
Right now you're in the Asian flair.
Exactly. Yes. But I'm very, very loyal to my roots, and that is Spanish and French.
Awesome.
But I cook vegan and pizzas. I
Awesome.
make amazing chicken wings.
Great, so you have a good variety.
Yes. But what I really like is the fine dining multi-course tasting menus.
Awesome.
Like little snacks that increment, and finally big portions arrive, and then a dessert or two. That's what I like.
That's awesome. Well, thank you for taking the time to
Thank you.
speak with us. Such a
Thank you so
pleasure.
much. Likewise.
What a great Flybridge area. It has so much to offer for a 95-footer. A full bar that has an awning that can give you some shade up above. You've got 2 dinings that can also become cocktail tables, and you've got a retractable sunshade, perfect for stargazing at the night.